Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Hair loss is a common problem that can be caused by various factors. One of the main causes is hormonal imbalance, such as during pregnancy, menopause, or conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. In addition, chronic stress can also cause hair loss because it can disrupt the hair growth cycle. Bad habits such as an unbalanced diet, smoking, and the use of harsh hair care products can also worsen this condition. Excessive use of heat styling tools can damage hair follicles and cause brittle hair. The consequences of hair loss not only affect physical appearance, but can also impact a person's confidence and mental health. It is important to recognize and address the causes of hair loss to prevent further damage and promote healthy hair growth. Here are some vitamins to combat hair loss and promote hair growth. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in cell growth, including hair cells. As an antioxidant, vitamin A helps fight free radicals that can damage body cells, including hair follicle cells. A healthy scalp requires adequate sebum production, which is also encouraged by vitamin A. Sebum acts as a natural moisturizer for the scalp, preventing dryness and brittle hair. However, it is important to note that excess vitamin A can cause hair loss, so intake should be balanced. 2. Vitamin B7. Biotin, or vitamin B7, is an essential nutrient for hair health as it helps strengthen keratin, the main protein that makes up hair. Biotin supports energy production in cells and plays a key role in the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, all of which are needed for healthy hair growth. A deficiency in biotin can cause brittle and falling hair. Consuming biotin-rich foods such as eggs, nuts, and seeds can help address hair loss issues. Biotin supplements are also often recommended, but it is important to consult a doctor before taking them. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect hair cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can damage hair follicles, leading to hair loss. Additionally, vitamin E improves blood circulation in the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive sufficient oxygen and nutrients to grow. It also helps repair damaged cells and promotes tissue regeneration, which is crucial for hair health. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, and avocados. Vitamin E supplements are also available, but the dosage should be monitored to avoid side effects. These are some vitamins to combat hair loss, but to achieve optimal results, always consult a doctor before taking them. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to avoid missing other videos.